Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the word mindfulness. Now first of all, this word is comes in a new just this is new word about us. So meaning of mindfulness is that the putting 100% attention to the now, to at the this now moment. So by giving 100% attention, by giving 100% your consciousness to this moment is mindfulness. So why mindfulness is so much important in our life? Because mindfulness gives the rest to our mind. Why? Because if we are thinking about some other thing, we are at the past moment. If we are thinking about something, so past is not let us come to this present. If we are at present, we are at rest position. If we are at past, then we are some tense moment at in our head. So mindfulness gives us that rest. So by giving 100% attention, you are increasing your concentration, your span of concentration, your just your increasing your remembering things, remember at things. So you can increase these abilities by mindfulness. So there is a book written for this mindfulness. I can call it that book is written on this topic, and that book is name is the power of now. Power of now means we have to give 100% to this moment, that this moment will just become powerful. We have to give power and make this moment powerful, not to the past, not to the future. Clear? So we have to remain in the present. Why? Because if we give 100% to this present, then our future will also be good, will also become bright. So to bright that our future, we have to give 100% to our present. So that is the importance of mindfulness. And now I have many times that I have conscious about it, that the many students in the lecture are just physically present, but not they are mentally, they are somewhere else. So that what that creates, uh, if they are not mentally at that in that lecture, then what happens? If they are not understanding the topic at that moment, then they after that session, if they are just studying that topic, then they will realize that by not giving attention to that topic, to that lecture, they lost that topic as well, because they can't understand the topic perfectly. If they can't understand the topic, they just sit and by reading they don't understand it, and they just forget about it. So this is the one good example of mindfulness. So there is a loss if we don't give our attention to this present. So there is the difference of this mindfulness. uh, how we can give our 100% attention to this present moment? By meditation, by just giving om chants. Clear? These are the these are the proper way to increase our mindfulness, to increase our attention. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much to listening my video lectures till the end. That means a lot to me. Thank you very much.